Okay guys, let me quickly illustrate on how you draw this this hook here. Okay, let's start a new 2D sketch. Sorry. Okay, so let's start a 2D sketch in the XY plane. Alright, so we're gonna draw two circles here of diameter 40 and diameter 38. It's diameter 30, like that. And then finish sketch, extrude, and then let us double extrude this by 60. Okay, so there we have it. Now again, let's start to the sketch in the origin YZ plane now, right, which is the middle plane, and then we can slice our graphics like that. So now I need to draw a slot which will go like this, and then we know that's the dimensions from here to here. That's what it's 54, like that. And then from center to center it's 27, right? And then we know that the radius it's 30, the outside one, like that. Okay, so now we have to offset this one like that, and then now we know that the inner radius it's 15, like that. And then finish sketch, and then now we extrude this, and no, sorry, what's wrong. Okay, let's edit our sketch. Edit sketch, right? Let's see. Is our diameter 40 or 48? Okay, let's finish the sketch. And then let's come back here. Edit sketch. I think it's supposed to be 48 here. Okay. So this is what we'll be having now. Yes, right. So now let's extrude. And then double extrude by what? By 20. Like that. Okay. So now we have to draw the profile, right? So how do we draw this outer profile here, right? Meaning that we have to. Okay, so you guys can know what I'm referring to. Let's see. Let's see, guys. It's taking a bit longer here to load. Cable trolley there. Okay, it's taking long, but let's continue. Okay, there it's open. All right, so okay, so now we have to come to this profile here, right? This one of radius 16 here, meaning that we have to come back here, right? And then now we have to start a 2D sketch in this plane, right? Okay. After doing that, we can slice the graphics like that, and then we use an arc of radius 16 and again radius 60. Okay, so let's project this geometry and then finish sketch. Okay, so we need the sketch to be visible, so let's share sketch, right, like that. So now we go to sweep feature. What do we want to sweep? It's this profile, right? And then which curve or edge, use this one, right, like that, and click on OK, right? So this is what we have now, and then now we no longer need the sketch. All right, so now what we need is this arc here, right? So meaning that now we have to start 2D sketch in the mid plane again, right, which is this plane here, and then we need an arc, right, that will go like this and like that, and its radius 5. Enter. So this arc, it has to be tangential to this surface and to this one, right? So tangent this to that and also this to that, right? And then let's extend our arc like that, right? So now we can just use a line here in the middle which goes like this, right? Then make this line a construction line. Okay, so now let's mirror this, and then the mirror line will be this one. Click on apply, done. Okay, and then now we can we need this outer profile, right? So now we no longer need this one and also this one. Okay, so that we need to create a slot again, which will be that we need a slot that will be like this, and like that, right? Okay, that's the slot we needed. So now we don't need this portion and that portion. Okay, click on finish sketch. Okay, so we need another line here, right, so that it can look like this one. Okay, so let's edit the sketch. So meaning that we have to extend no, not that one. Okay, let's undo. Where was our slot? This was our slot, right? So meaning that we have to trim. Okay, so we have a problem this side, meaning that want this to be tangent to that. Okay, so now we can trim. Okay, let's see. Project geometry, this outer geometry, and then we said we want this to be tangential to this one, right? Okay, it's fine like this, it's fine like that. Okay, it's fine like that. Okay, so now again let's come back to the sketch, this one, right? Make it visible, or we shall share sketch, and then again we go back to the sweep feature. What is it that we want to sweep now is okay, let's edit the sketch, this one, edit sketch, right? We need this geometry here, that one. Okay, finish sketch. So okay, now let's go back to our sweep feature. This is what we want to sweep, and then now our curve, it has to be this one, and all right, let's edit the sketch again. Edit sketch. We don't want this part and this one, and also we don't want this one. Okay, so let's say this is what we want. Okay, this side it's gone. Okay, let's just draw a slot again, which has to be like that, right? Okay, so let us slice the graphics to make things easy for us. Yeah, you see here the problem is here, so let's just delete this slot and also this one, right? And also let's just delete this one because it seems like there's a lot going on here. Okay, also don't need this geometry here. Okay, let me remove this line also. Okay, so now let's create a slot. This will be the center. This will be another one, and then it goes like that, right? And then now we're saying that 1, 2, 3 here and there. Yeah, that's what we want. And then finish sketch. Okay, this is what we want. So again, let's go to our sweep feature. This is what we want to sweep, and then now the profile, it's this one plus okay, it's opening. All right, it seems like our sketch is not closed here. Yes, it's not. So where is it? Edit sketch, right? Slice graphics. Here is an open loop, right? So we have to extend this like that. Let's come to the side, even the side, extend. Okay, finish sketch. So let us sweep again. This is what we want to sweep, and then our profile, it's this one, just like that, just like that. And then click on OK. So now this is what we'll be having, right? So we don't need the sketch. Click on visibility. This is what you have now, right? And then now we have to close this hollow space here. You have to start to the sketch in this plane. You just have to project this geometry, that geometry, and this geometry, and that geometry, right? Okay, so again, finish sketch, and then extrude. What do we want to extrude now? It's this profile here, right? Or is it? Is it? And then to which side? To this side. All right. Okay, we're missing something. Let's go back to this sketch here. Let's see. Okay, it's the sketch, right? Let's edit the sketch. You can just delete this one and that one. You just have to draw a line that goes from here to there. Okay, and then now we can finish sketch and then extrude. That's what we want to extrude. Yes, to the surface, and just like that, there you have your hook looking like that. There you have it looking like that. Okay, and then now you can assign a material. Let's say maybe it's smiled still, I don't know. Might still like that. Okay, so yeah, now you have it looking like that, which is which should be this here. Sorry. Yes, which should be this here, which should be this one here. Okay, so if we were to cut it in the mid plane, which is this plane, this is what we have. This is what we have. Okay, let's do it like this, and let's save it as and then let's create a DWG file just to confirm that everything is in order. Okay, let's create a DWG file there. All right, so now let's place. It should be like this. Okay, which should be like this, and then let's see. Section this plane. All right, so this is how our hook looks like, which should be the same as this here. So yeah, that's how you go on about drawing this hook right here. All right. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I'm done.